Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to move bullet points to the left in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to move bullet points to the left. Firstly, go to the home menu and click draw text box, then draw a text box. Then click the text box and go to the home menu again. Then click the bullets option. Then choose the large bullet. Then write anything on our keyboard. Now we can see we inserted a bullet list. Now we want to move these bullet points. Click the text box, then move the left on the page. Now we can see we move bullet points to the left this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.